I've been using Notion AI for a while now, and this is my honest, non-sponsored review. I'll quickly break down what Notion AI does, its main strengths, and a few limitations you should know about. By the end of this video, you should have a clear idea of whether Notion AI fits your needs. So what is Notion AI? It's an AI assistant integrated directly into the Notion workspace. The main purpose is to help users write, summarize, brainstorm, and organize information within notes, documents, and databases. Now, let's talk about the strengths. First, seamless integration with Notion. Notion AI works directly inside existing Notion pages and databases. This eliminates the need to switch between separate AI tools. If you're part of a team already managing projects and knowledge in Notion, this integration is very useful. Second, productivity-focused writing assistance. The platform supports summarization, rewriting, brainstorming, and task generation. This helps users process large notes or meeting content quickly. For knowledge workers handling documentation and planning, this assistance is beneficial. Third, flexible use across workflows. Notion AI can be applied to notes, wikis, project plans, and task lists. It adapts to both personal and team-based organization systems. If you're a student, creator, or part of remote teams managing information, this flexibility is useful. Despite its strengths, there are some limitations to keep in mind. AI capabilities are more general compared to specialized writing tools. Output quality depends heavily on existing content and prompts. The tool requires a paid add-on on top of a Notion subscription. It's not ideal for long-form or highly creative writing tasks. Depending on your writing needs and budget, some of these limitations might matter more than others. Overall, Notion AI is best for existing Notion users looking to boost productivity within their workspace. It's less suitable for users who want a standalone or highly specialized AI writing tool. In short, Notion AI adds convenience and efficiency, but is not a replacement for dedicated AI platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews.